Hello guys, this is part 2 of a fidget video because my phone decided to tell me I need a software update. So carrying on, we've got one of these still doing the blue basket. Sometimes you can get them to put that and then you push them that way to get it apart, but that wouldn't do. And then we've got a big it's hot beans in it, so it's a maze. It is a fidget spinner as well, but Crystal prefers to put this one on the floor, because otherwise, I mean, I've got other ones, but still too big, and it's a puppet. We've got a squishy dog. I've got a pink one of these. That's even Nintendo. And then these, you press down. I'm not going to let it go because I'm not going to go. And then it pings up. Here is the other lizard. Then we have, in this box, we've got, this is a hexagon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. No, an octagon. Rainbow octagon, a rainbow heart, and a glittering, if you can see the glitter, glittery pink one. Then another one of these two jars. A blue squidgy, and the reason I'm going through showing you what we've got is so I can also see again what we've got, and then I think I put them all in one box. And not sure why she's put this in there, but a green match doll. Then we've got her, this is one of her favourite things, is sequins. Yeah, she's $3.79, and it says "Love You" on it. So that's what it says. It doesn't say anything inside. No, it's just a blank card inside. Then we've got one of these. Another one of those jumpy things with a different face. I'm not sure. Maybe she was. Maybe I don't know. It's a wheel, and on it says check hits. No idea. Oh, it's got that car from Cars. Green one. Then we've got a squidgy. What's her name? From Haven. Jazz. She's also got a squidgy, gorilla one from somewhere. Then we've got like a Johnny teddy bear, I don't know what's got that now. And then one of these little mini puppets. You've got loads of these left over from my birthday. So that is the first basket. Give me a minute to put this back in and I'll show you the blue bag. So this is the newest fidget. And it's locked, it says 1 to 4. And she just likes them doing the locks and stuff. And then it's got animals in each one. This has got 2 doors. There's one chain, and then this one's literally like that. Sorry, you can't actually see. And then this one here is a chain. It's just like opening and closing the doors, really. So, there's 2 doors. This one up here. So yeah, that's our newest thing from Vanessa and Doug. And she will sit for hours. Opening and closing the doors. So yeah, got that. And then in the blue bag, we have a squidgy reindeer, Rudolph. Which one that came from. We've got monkey noodle. We have a rainbow butterfly. I think that one might be mine. It's borrowed. A rainbow unicorn puppet. Oh, this is a chewy. This isn't really. This is another thing to like. So there is two things. So blue chewy, an orange circle puppet, a little heart puppet, another one of those. This is what I mean. It sticks together, and then a blue. She's getting into one of the things. Everything's blue because it's a safety colour and a favourite colour. Spinner with the puppet element in it is blue. Again, a sequin bag. One of these, like they can be plastic, but this is a wooden one. It's from Tesco. It's a party section. This is the thing that I've got in the kitchen, but I've got a red one, and they've got two others, I think. Squishy teddy bear. We've got an Among Us, is it? Puppet. A small bow puppet. What are they called? One of these that does. What are they called? A squishy Santa. A puppet bracelet. There's one of those tubes but in blue. Bit of paper. A blue dinosaur puppet on a keyring. Another spinner thing, but as you can see, she's broken the pocket bit. This one is a spinner, and it does flashing more in the melody. Does light up, but it only seems to. Oh no, it does light. This one does light up on all of them. Yeah. So turn it off. A puzzle ball, which she's not old enough to actually do. Another spinner, which lights up, but only this one lights up and she's lost this middle bit. Slushy man. Doesn't really mean my lizard, cheeky. This is from a protein shake bottle. But she can make a fidget out of anything, and it, yeah. Not sure what that is. It might be the bottom. Oh, there's the other bit. So I'm going to fix that with some glue. The squidgy dog. A blue magnetic ring, but I'm not sure whether I want to go. And that is it for the blue bag. So I will go and get my bag, her box, and the random one that's in the random one that's in the kitchen. Just a minute. Right. So here it is, and then I'll grab it in the kitchen because I forgot. This is her box for the bag. It has first in the blue one. This is what the blue. Right, and in here we have a blue bracelet Poppet. I really like this. Another spinner with a Poppet bit. These are a bit hard to pop with. This she nicked off me. Can't actually see it. It's a phenomenon thing. My fidget cube. You know. George. Cube thing. These came from Asda. We had them in several colours, like a llama, stretchy llama thing. Another stretchy man. It's a bit dirty. And a simple dimple. That's what they're called. So that was it. The one in the blue bag was a triple simple dimple. This is just a normal simple dimple. This is a blue and pink one. Of course. And then the last lot of like crystals sort of fidgets, baby things is, oh, I forgot a blue ball. Big ball. She's also got one of these. And just realised it's got a pocket book of a proper dinosaur. So let's put that up. I know I've done all our fidgets before, but I thought I'd just do an update. So this is the box she keeps in her room. There's not a lot in it. She wanted a lot more here. So we've got a squidgy burger. These came in pack of 6, I think. They've got different textures on them. So, sheep, and then a fidget cube, but this bit's broke. There's another one of those frog. This thing broke, but she still wants to keep it because she can still use the fidget. It's got a spiky end. An apple, this is mine. An apple Poppet. One of these. I'm not going to tell them that you can get these in all blue. A planet squidgy. Another one of these blue keychains. A glittery, yellow thingy poppet bracelet. Another monkey noodle, sequin unicorn, a square 3x3 poppet, but as you can see again, she's chewed it. A yellow marble and mesh. Another puzzle ball, a blue unicorn on a keychain, a red tube, a pug in a mug. She also had a cat in a cup, one of these squidgy ball things, I don't want squidgy now, squidgy basketball, another squidgy man. Another one of those blue little keychain things, poppet things. A spinning octopus, but that never meant to say. And his face changes. See? And it's got the popping bit on it as well. The red ball. Another one of those clappers. That's how much I've actually got in mine in a minute. Peas in a pod thing. And a dinosaur. I'm not sure what it's doing in there. So that is crystals. My bird. Now I have said throughout this a lot of well, not a lot. Some of it's mine, so you can't listen to me. This is mine. This is a mum and baby bag. Mum and me bag when I was at the crystal. So I got a blue poppet, a red, not blue, sorry, purple poppet, not blue. A red marble and mash. My fidget thing. It's amazing. I got the green because they came in a pack of 2. I said that we can have one each. This is the green and purple Simple Dimple. Then a squidgy dinosaur. This is the snake thing. Part of my fidget spinner because there's a double. I'm not sure on the half. Other half's got everything. You stick this on there. Yep. Okay. Double fidget spinner, but there are fixtures you can make it just 2. My squidgy cat. Then this is my Poppy's fidget. A little fidget thing. It's got the bit on the back like a this is the Xbox controller. Dad, can I have that about bag, please?
Yep.
Because I know there's more fidgets in there.
More fidgets, yep. Just
a pudgy ball. A puzzle ball.
A piddle ball.
My dragon. I'm going to have to take off a dragon back. One of my lizards. Another fidget device. Dirt thing. Please have a name and look at what they're called. I've got a green one. This goes with 3 others. So yeah, we both lost it. There we go. There's number 2. Second something. And there's it falls.
Yeah.
I've got peas in a pod.
Oh.
Spinny thing. I got whatever that is, squishy. And that one. That one. That one. That one. That one. These are meant to put your finger, but it broke. Squishy ball. Don't always fit to me because it's blue, but a random keyring which I don't see something like that. That's the toggle to make the thing into one, and that is all I've got in this bag. Now I'm going to double check to see if there's any other fidgets in the out and about bag that she's randomly put in there. And then when she gets back, I'm going to ask her if she wants to put it on in one thing or separate it a bit more. Oh yeah! This is, we got this the same time as we got the chain thing. Pocket game, which I spent forever playing that. And obviously it had to be blue, it's anything else in here. Oh yeah, a planet poppet. And what I like is it's actually got them written on, but apparently this is wrong now. I think. Oh, the rainbow poppet, told you. A sequin bag. And also in here, this is a favourite thing as well. Let me know if you want me to do more videos on stuff, because she's been tested for ADHD. ADHD as well as autism. So she's got things like a wobble stool and a wobble cushion and things like that to help her. But if you want me to do a video on these, let me know. So this is the putty. Blue one for her, purple one for me, and then this cutty. That's it. See. I'll do a proper video on this at some point. And what I put out the belt bag. So this one. It's like I can do a video and things like one of her chewies, her cards, stuff like that. Oh, my lipstick. So, yeah, that is all. I think I'm gonna go and double check it. 2 seconds. Yeah. Last 3 fidgets, so she's got her unicorn. I said she had a cat in a cup. I mean, she has a cat in a cup. Facing the way. She has a cat in a cup. And then this is my blue. My blue teddy. Oh my god, what is wrong with me? Crystal's got the blue one. This is my pink one. And they smell so strong when they come out. They've got like a white liquid in them. So strong when it's not the bag. So that is all. Fidgets, there's probably some around somewhere that I've missed, but that is the bulk. That is most of them. I mean, there's one up here, nothing up there. There's another one of these somewhere. This is one from Gabby's Dog's Eyes, squidgy thing. So, yeah. If you want me to do videos like that, then I don't mind. So I'm going to leave you. And I will see you in my next video. And sorry it's in 2 parts. Bye!